Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're going to go through this Renault, should we say it's the 1.5 diesel, whether it's the Captur, you've got it in the Citroens, BMW, Mercedes. This engine is in most of the vehicles nowadays. Not the best of the engines, but ayo. What we're looking at is the DF647 exhaust gas recirculation valve position valve. Locked or blocked, did it say? Locked. So the EGR is this here. Well, this has not been put on properly, as we can see. It looks like they've worked on it before, but if we remove this, it's this here. There's a few ways around it. So the car will have engine management light on, the car may lose power, the car will be in limp mode, sluggish as if there is no power, or juddering. There's a few ways of fixing it. If you're handy, take it out, clean it, put it on, and reset it using the diagnostic machine, and this may work. If not, if it doesn't work, then there's another few alternatives. Firstly, I would recommend you buy an OEM genuine part EGR, put it on, reset it, move on, okay? If not, there's others out there that do remap. You can remap it, blank it out, end off, move on. But how legal that is, that's up to you guys, that's down to your discretion. But they're the ways around it. Reality is, once you're at that, you might as well just clean the throttle body and whatnot, and just tidy things up there as well, because they do get clogged up. But yeah, that's what we would say, guys.